Our skin loses radiance due to various reasons. For example, if you sleep less, not exercise, not eating a balanced diet every day, etc. Today we will show you how to whiten and brighten your skin natural way. Fast. Take 1 tablespoon coffee powder in a bowl. The caffeine and chlorogenic acids, CGA, contained in coffee beans can help reduce inflammation due to skin problems such as eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Additionally, coffee grounds are promising for fighting skin infection diseases given the antimicrobial properties of their CGA and caffeine. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne. Raw honey is also a natural exfoliator, which means applying it to your face takes off dry, dull skin and reveals new skin cells underneath. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. You can use lemon juice to lighten your skin. This is due to the high concentration of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. This means a humble lemon can be used to treat acne damage, dark spots, freckles, and other forms of hyperpigmentation. The vitamin C in lemon juice lightens skin by reducing melanin. Mix well. Apply this mixture on your face and neck. Apply this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rub it gently to remove the face pack. Rubbing helps to remove fine facial hair and dead cell from your face. If your skin is sensitive skin, then don't rub your skin. Only direct wash with normal waters. Now you can see the result. My skin is so much fair and bright. Apply this face pack every 7 days, then uses it 3 to 4 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.